pretty awesome there. It's like a playground.
Mount Diablo State Park is one of the ecological treasures of the San Francisco Bay Area. From its trees, beautiful wildflowers, and trails, it's no wonder I love coming here. Mount Diablo's Rock City is a beautiful and amazing landscape, and it has some of the most surreal looking sandstone formations you'll ever find in the Bay Area. Rock City is located along the South Gate Road entrance, just few miles down the road from the junction to North Gate Road. As you wander along Rock City's paths, you will come upon caves and unusually large rock formations. These caves, believe it or not, are shaped by the wind. One of the first things you will notice about these rocks, no, it's not their size, nor the lichens, but human carvings, made by people who once visited and wanted to leave their mark. Literally. There's so much to do here, and for every visit, it's a whole new experience. And with each experience, it's something new to the eyes.